Artoonza.
Hey there, pixel artists and keyboard warriors! Did you know your computer has been waiting to be drawn? True story. Today we're bringing it to life with markers, paint, glitter, and colors so bright they might crash your screen. No Wi-Fi needed, just pure talent. And if anyone asks, yes, this is your homework. Grab those brushes because the most colorful, sparkliest computer in history is about to happen. Ready? Let's paint this thing. Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. All right, future tech legends, it is time to wake this computer up. And what better way to do that than with the happiest, most extra color on the entire planet, yellow. We are squeezing glorious drops of sunshine straight from our dropper like little golden raindrops falling on the best computer in history. Because let's be honest, every amazing screen deserves to glow like it swallowed the sun. So grab those brushes and start spreading this liquid sunshine everywhere. Because our computer is about to look so bright and happy, even your Monday morning mood can't resist smiling. Give us a big thumbs up. Oh, wait, yellow was just the warm-up. Now comes the pink. Sweet, sassy, and absolutely unstoppable.
Aww, so cute.
Because every legendary computer secretly has a pink side. Don't argue with us. Now hold on tight, because things are about to get seriously magical. We are cracking open the light blue glitter polish. Yes, glitter. And giving this computer the icy, sparkling glow it has always dreamed of. Imagine your screen catching the light and winking at you. That is exactly what is happening right now. This computer just went from cool to absolutely breathtakingly frostily legendary. You are welcome, computer. But wait, we are not done. Grab the dropper because it is raining red, light green, orange, purple, and pink all over this masterpiece. Drop by glorious drop, this computer is turning into the most colorful machine on Earth. Honestly, it might apply for a job as a rainbow. Smash that like button now. Now the real party begins. Pick up those brushes because we are painting purple, orange, pink, light green, red, and purple again because purple loved it so much it came back for seconds. Every single brushstroke is pure, dripping, chaotic, beautiful genius. We are blending these wild colors together like a tiny tornado of awesomeness hit an art supply store. This computer is not just a drawing anymore. It is a full-on rainbow explosion that the internet is simply not ready for. Get it done.
So cute.
And for the grand finale, gold glitter polish. Because legends do not finish ordinary, they finish gold. Your computer just became a masterpiece. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.